So I did these super chunky candied nails for Pride Month, and it's been 4 weeks and I'm about to take them off. Please excuse this nail. She always gets hit with my hand file when I'm working and always ends up lopsided looking. But anyways, we're gonna see how long it takes me to remove these giant chunky charms. So I'm starting with this pointy carbide bit, and I use this bit exclusively for taking off chunky charms and rhinestones. I use it to carve out a little groove around all of the charms that I put on so that I can give my nippers something to grip to underneath the charms. I also wanted to add a little timer in the corner on this video, but I could not find one that worked, so sorry about that. I will just have to update you on the time at the end. So for now, I'm going to repeat this process on all of the nails. All right, next I'm going in with some nippers, and these are not nippers that I use on people's cuticles. These are specifically only for taking off charms and rhinestones. So now I'm going into that little groove that I just carved away with the nippers and trying to get it to separate from the nail, and I'm going to do that for the rest of them. So I got most of them off that first time around, but the gummy bears are really on there, really difficult because they have so much area on them that is glued down. So I had to go back in and file around them some more. And I finally got them to come up. And finally, I'm going in with a coarse carbide bit, and I am removing all of the accessory gel and the remaining rhinestones and pearls that are stuck in there. And that is everything. So grand total on that hand was 9 minutes and 55 seconds. So basically 10 minutes to do that hand. I didn't record the other hand, but working with my non-dominant, it was closer to 15 minutes. So a grand total of 25 minutes just to remove all of the chunky charms on my nails. But they were so cute, and I got so many compliments on them, maybe even the most I've ever gotten on a set. So I would say definitely worth it. And this is what I painted on after that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys thought about the crazy chunky candy nails. Bye!